But this is another one, right? Super low cost, $54,900, and you can get a ton of rent, right? Section 8 rent, definitely require, the smart investor should require Section 8 tenants in these kind of neighborhoods, right? The numbers are amazing. If you get a new market rate Section 8 tenant in there, the next time you do a unit turn, you're going to be getting $1,250 in rent, okay? That is an insane amount of rent. And at a $54,900 price point, the numbers pencil out. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Staying and selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour of Holton-Wise TV, giving it to you straight. All right, y'all, I got another deal. This one is in East Cleveland, okay? 1375 Elwood. Coming to you guys at $54,900, and I want you guys to pay attention to the whole video, okay? As I'm talking, I'm sure my guys are playing some footage and stuff so you can see what the property looks like, but at the end of this, we're going to show you that footage completely unedited, uncut. Our goal here on Holton-Wise TV is to provide investors, local, out-of-state, what have you, the ability to do the due diligence like somebody local could do. I comprehend that if you are in San Francisco right now, you're not going to be able to tour the property yourself very easily. So it is our goal with our film team. That's why we go into these properties and show you every nook and cranny. Plus, you'll actually hear, their real-time audio reactions. All of that completely uncut for you, right? So stay tuned. Don't click off. But this is another one, right? Super low cost, $54,900. And you can get a ton of rent, right? Section 8 rent, definitely require, the smart investor should require Section 8 tenants in these kind of neighborhoods, right? You could go cash, right? You could go cash, y'all, but that's a tough business, okay? East Cleveland is a tough city, okay? There's a lot of crime. There's a lot of blight. There's a lot of poverty. They got issues with their government. There's a lot going on. And if you're going to try to compete as a landlord in a place as difficult to deal with a rental property as East Cleveland is, I think if you go the cash paying route, you're going to find yourself in an uphill battle, right? Again, it's all about transparency here. That's what we pride ourselves on, providing you guys with the most transparent take on what you're going to get, right? So the numbers are amazing. If you get a new market rate Section 8 tenant in there, the next time you do a unit turn, you're going to be getting $1,250 in rent, okay? That is an insane amount of rent. And at a $54,900 price point, the numbers pencil out. The current tenant only paying $850. Nothing wrong with the current tenant. The current tenant is proving to be a good tenant, but that is the thing. When you're in a tough neighborhood and you're doing your tenant screening, you got to go into it with the assumption knowing that your cash-paying tenants are going to have a lower probability of success for you. It happened to work out pretty good on this one, but that will not always be the case. I mean, you could do whatever you want. I'm not telling you how you got to manage it. That's up to you. I'm just telling you as somebody who's been in this game a very long time. These are the types of properties that I make a killing off of, but I always make sure I get government guaranteed rent in there because I'm not dealing with chasing people down for evictions. I'm not dealing with a vacant single family house every year where some people might come in. Like you saw the furnace and the hot water tank. Those have been put in there the last few years, right? Those are nice. Those are expensive. There's police issues in East Cleveland, right? There's funding issues for their police force, okay? They don't have people able to respond to this type of stuff all the time, right? So I don't want to lose thousands of dollars. So with the Section 8 tenant base, I'm able to get more rent. I'm able to get longer tenancies, fewer vacancies, and in short, just make a lot more money. If that's something you're down for, if this kind of property fits into your investment budget, if you are all about these numbers, shoot an offer to my team, sales@holtonwise.com. Cash or financed offers fine. Just make sure you have your pre-approval or proof of funds. If you need lenders, I got lenders. And stay tuned for the Uncut video tour now.
1375 Elwood.
We'll get the exterior done with it. Well, if we are waiting for
That is a pretty cute cat. That looks like my cat Pickles.
You know what else you should get?
What? dark. Okay, there we go.
Pool.
Hey, kitty.
So like when it's really hot, you can literally just like stay in there all summer. Especially their case.
All right.
You want to go walk in front of that one?
No, I don't really.
Get it when you're driving by,
Yeah.
maybe.
Piece of shit, ain't got no fucking porch gone. I bet somebody lives there though.
I don't know. That window on the top right's like the whole window is missing, not just the glass. I think these are our people.
This might be our people.
Could be. I'm ready for filming.
I am.
Fairview football.
Well, I couldn't
You
find
shouldn't
my.
wear that around here.
I couldn't find my Holton-Wise stuff.
What if all
Hey, how's it going?
What if all the time when people come and like, bro? Yep.
Yes. Yeah.
The outside? Inside should take more like 5-10 minutes.
Barely 5 minutes. You want me to hold it?
You don't have to. Yeah, this is generally super quick.
Hey. Come on in.
Okay.
Okay, so look, check this out. Sorry.
No, you're
I
good.
just seen one of these for like $159 at the Goodwill. Is it worth it?
Yeah, if it's like this one,
It
yeah.
was just like this. I gotta show my girl when she comes.
The gimbal?
This little thing, you hold it like this and it had a little thing like this. It was like $150. It's worth it to buy it?
Oh,
How
for
much
sure.
are these things? How much would you buy one of these things for?
I think we paid like $190 something for ours.
So if I put that online for $150, I'll sell it for sure?
Oh, for sure.
Probably.
Bet.
They're pretty nifty too. Especially if you're, you know.
What kind of camera need to go in here though? That kind of camera?
It comes with a bunch of, well,
It has
any kind of camera can.
So you can put anything. There's attachments.
You
for
put your phone on?
You can put your phone on. You can put
It is
your
working
GoPro on.
on. Like a YouTube or a content.
Yeah, because it keeps everything balanced. So he's walking around, but you're not gonna be able to tell in the video because it's a stabilizer. There will be no bouncing when you're turning and stuff. Everything stays smooth. It won't like jerk to one side or another. There's a knob on there, so if you're really trying to get fancy, you can have it tilt up and down and
Let me
whatnot.
ask you a question. So how high would you like to
I'd say it's pretty flexible. Because, I mean, especially if you're not moving. I mean, if you're but if you're up and moving,
What about running?
running, that should be fine. I would have run the back camera on it, because that camera is a little bit older for that. You can use that. If you're running, it's probably better off using the phone or the yeah, you can stand up and run. So yeah, you can use run.
No furnace. Water tank. Ugh. Super bright light.
And it's like, if you try, like, so, obviously, you photography, right?
Yeah.
If you like, man, I don't got no work. You could go to the Goodwill, look for photography shit, use it or sell it for your. And it's like
And you're getting it at a fraction of the price.
Bruh, he said that's worth $150 on the street. I could have got the answer at 50, but
Yeah, reselling it.
I'm gonna go steal that fucking thing. The fuck?
Okay, I was gonna say I didn't
Yeah,
see any
stairs
steps
over
back
here.
there.
Turn on the light. We used to have a bigger one. That was monstrous. It was like two-handed, super heavy. That's our second. The other one, got beat up over the years and used it for about 4 or 5, probably about 5 years. And then we had to replace it with a smaller. So we weren't sure if it was going to be better or not, but so far it's worked out.
Bathroom.
I had a little bit of side stuff. I used to do models and work and stuff, and I don't know if I'm the best for it, but it's not weekend. I got out of it,
Oh yeah, you can finish this. All right.
yeah, so you can use it, or you can try and run it on Facebook Marketplace instead.
All right.
Did you go in the attic too?
Yep. Yeah, right there off the bathroom.
Yeah, weird place with some stuff, right?
Yeah, you turn that
Other
on.
one, yeah.
I was like, the hell? Yep, we're all good.
All right. I'm gonna
Got
follow y'all out.
that? Sure.
And Derek will be getting the drone ready, right?
No drone today.
I don't know.
So what y'all think? It's cool. I mean,
It's very clean.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton-Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.